All right, so I bought this 2013 Ford Edge Limited all-wheel drive yesterday. Um, and I was driving around today. I guess I got a little burned on this, but I was trying to use this, climate control system like anyone would. But I noticed some of my buttons here are not working. Um, so the ones that I know of are the fan up button. So pressing that does nothing. Also the passenger up. I think acorns is in my car. Anyways, the AC and the max AC button don't work as well. Everything else seems to work. Oh, I guess the rear defrost doesn't work either. Turn that down. The front does work, but the thing is that the screen itself works, so I'm not too worried about it. So, sorry. So, I couldn't find anything online, so I'm putting this video out here to see if anyone has any ideas on what could probably fix this instead of going for a full replacement. Because looking online, I'm seeing these control panels going for like 400, 500, on eBay. And I've already tried the reset. If you guys don't know how to do that, what you do is you turn off your climate control, make sure that this button is lit, and you press and hold your defrost, let go. One. I think I did that right. Yep. Okay, so you'll hear the blender doors cycling. And you'll also see these lights. They'll change colors from purple to blue. The fans will kick on. But even after that, it still has not fixed my issue. So if someone could just, reach out, say, hey, this might be messed up, that'd be awesome. Thanks.